How to create an NFT generator that can generate artworks from your files at Photoshop without coding. Open Photoshop and go to File, Scripts, Script Events Manager. Check Enable Events to run scripts. If you have any scripts in here, click on Remove All. Select Open Document from the Photoshop event dropdown. Make sure Script is checked and choose Browse from the dropdown. Navigate to the script you downloaded. Next, click on Add and then on Done. Open your Photoshop file with the artworks in it. The script prompt will open. Click on Cancel. We'll come to that in a second. It's important that you have the right order in your folder structure. Put every trait in a separate folder. For example, I have all my backgrounds in the background folder at the bottom. Above that I have the trait that comes above the background, in my case the neck. Then different head versions, then different tattoos, then different mouth types, and so on. You get the point. Next you have to make every layer inside the folders invisible, but keep the folders themselves visible. You should have a blank document with every folder still visible. Then save your file and reopen it. The script prompt will pop up again. Type in how many pieces you want to create. That's it. The script now generates as many artworks as you want. It saves it in a subfolder called PNG in the same folder as the Photoshop file sits in. For me it took about 30 seconds for every artwork, but that highly depends on your PC. You can check out the artworks I made with this generator on OpenSea. Like and share if you think this tutorial was helpful. Subscribe if you want to learn more about NFTs and graphic design.